start with putting text. Let's go to reveal and select the text and go to paragraph and put it right in the center text. Then go to align and put it in the middle of the composition. After that, open the text layer, go to animate and select tracking. Then go to the add and select property and select opacity. After doing that, put the tracking amount in the negative so it can like overlap with each other, something like this. Then make the opacity 0 as well. After that, go to range selector and put a keyframe in the start and put it a little ahead, like someone around 1 second, and put it to 100%. Then select the keyframes and click F9 to ease in ease out. Then go to graph and always select the split graph. Then select both of the keyframes and make shape something like this. And as you can see, it looks something like this. If you want to make it more like better, then go open the motion blur and the result is ready. If you want to learn more about After Effects, Autodesk Maya, Photoshop, or the newly released Affinity, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next video.